Hey, what's happening to my rideshare road warriors? This is Carlton Lewis, aka Mellow Melanin, aka Mega Businessman, coming to you live and direct. And today we're gonna talk about be careful who you get your driver tips from. All right, stay tuned. Hey, welcome back, peeps, to my rideshare road warriors. This is Carlton Lewis, aka Mellow Melanin, aka Mega Businessman. And on this video, like I said, we're going to talk about being careful who you take advice from when it comes to being a rideshare driver or anything that you're involved in. So you see me today, I'm outside, I'm just kind of chilling. It's Friday morning and I've had a really good morning, so I'm gonna take this little break, do a video, edit the video, and then I'll be back out there. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done it already. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the bell, ring the little bell there so you can get alerts. Now, why is it important to really look at the people who you're taking advice from, especially on YouTube? And I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. There are a lot of people out here who profess to be driving, but they're not. They've moved past the driver level, so they've driven just enough to say, well, yeah, I drove, but now they're doing other things. So, and if you really want to benefit, you need to get somebody who is out here in the trenches. There are certain YouTubers out here that give you some really good tips, and they may drive, but they don't drive full time. So, you may have people that are more focused on building their channels, and there's nothing wrong with that. I'm all for entrepreneurship. I'm all for the marketing aspect of this whole rideshare game, and I'm all for multiple streams of income. You guys hear me talk about that all the time. But you really got to be careful who you listen to. Some of these people out here, they haven't experienced a lot of circumstances. Me personally, and I'm not bragging, and they say it's not bragging if it's true, I'm over 10,000 rides, between Uber and Lyft, the bulk of that coming from Uber. And I like to give you guys good quality information. I like to be transparent with you guys, my subscribers who go into my community pages. They'll see, like the other day, I think it was yesterday, I put up my earnings from Tuesday and Wednesday, and they sucked. But I also gave you guys a scenario, a synopsis, that's a better word, a synopsis as to why those earnings sucked for those 2 days. So, it's not every day that you're gonna come out here and make $200-300 or whatever driving on the app, or even driving, off the app, doing different things, having private rides. It's possible, but probable, sometimes it's not. And a lot of times you'll see people who say, well, yo, I made $100 an hour driving for Uber, or I made, $35 an hour. The thing is, it's about consistency. And then you want to look at how old these videos are too, because the rates have changed. Some of the bonus structures have changed. As far as Uber, the quest have changed. Here in Atlanta with Lyft, I've talked to some of the people in my networking group. Big shouts out to the True Riders, and they're not getting offered Lyft bonuses. When I say bonuses, they're not getting offered the streaks anymore. They may give you that personal bonus area or whatever, and sometimes you'll come up on that. But that's what we call the pink leprechaun. It's hard to find. It's hard to catch a pink leprechaun, and you guys really want to be conscious of all of that. So I want to give you guys the best information. There are other people out here who are giving some really good information, but there are some people that don't drive at all. Some of them have really good quality information. Like, I'm always going to shout out my man, the Simple Driver, Kelvin over the Simple Driver. Have really good quality information, but he doesn't drive. He has other businesses, but he set the foundation for you guys to see how to treat this like a business. That's why I'm making videos for this, because of something I saw in the Simple Driver. The bearded Uber guy, same way. Mario's the same way. He saw the Simple Driver, got on it and started making videos, and now he has a podcast and a Facebook group. He built the community All right, so you got to look at how you're getting the information. Number one, who's delivering this information to you, and what are their true results? Look at their results. I post my results. So I was transparent with you guys. I posted my results from the past 2 days, and they sucked, man. I wasn't really happy with the results. But a lot of that comes down to, the results, the sucky results. A lot of that comes down to this right here, to your mindset. Before you even walk out of your house, are you expecting good things? Are you down in the dumps before you even turn your car on? And I'll be honest with you guys, I was in a funk. I'm not superhuman, I am. But honestly, seriously though, I'm not, above human emotions and things of that nature. So I'll give you guys tips so you guys can get out here and get to the money. I give you guys the pitfalls, but I like to keep it transparent. I'm not gonna show you just some screenshots of just when I had great days. I want to show you screenshots of the real. So like yesterday, I did like $206 on the app, on the Uber app, and I wasn't really happy about that. I'm gonna put that in a screenshot in the community. I was happy that I made the money, but I wasn't happy with how long it took. So going back to a previous video, and I'll put that video in the end screen so you guys can see it, where I talked about the exit strategy and having multiple streams of income. You need multiple streams of income. I don't want to work 11 hours every day to make 200 bucks. Yesterday was an exception for me, but I still had a chance to take a nap and still had a chance to do a whole bunch of other things. But I'm just, like I said, I'm being transparent with you guys, and anybody that's going to give you tips, take that to heart. Are these people being transparent with you, or are they just doing it to get some, subs, get their subs up, get their likes up, get their ad revenue up? Yeah, I like ad revenue, but I'm not gonna get rich off of YouTube ads, man. I'm not. I like that money, don't get me wrong. It's money I don't have to earn. But right now it's pennies. It's not gonna pay my bills. It may pay a bill, but it's not gonna pay all of my bills. So, like I said, be conscious about who you're taking advice out here in the rideshare game from. There are some jokers out here. There are some jokers out here, man, and then there's some people that just regurgitate news. The popular news already. You can set a Google alert on your phone and set your alert for Uber or set the alert for Lyft, and you can get the popular news. Now, maybe you like to get news from your favorite person that comes back and regurgitate the news. If that's what you like, cool. But if you want to learn how to make money, getting out here driving, then you got to really be careful who you listen to. People like Kimberly CEO, I'm going to shout her out all the time, just like I shout out Calvin. People like that, Kimberly CEO, drive her. She's out here getting it. She's serious about it, and she understands, like, this is not a career, it's a stepping stone to get to where you want to go. And treat it like that, yo. Treat it like a business, and it'll pay you like a business. You guys hear me say that all the time. All right, so I'm not gonna make this video long because I want to edit it and I want to get back out here and drive. I got some other errands to run, taking my morning break. I'm already at like, I think I'm like at $94. I've taken my break, I've had coffee, I stopped and got food, I'm about to wash clothes, and then I'm gonna get back out here because it's Friday. Rush hour happens early on Friday, so I'm gonna be out here early with it, and I plan on being done by like 8-9 o'clock with my quota met. All right, so once again, this has been Carlton Lewis. If you liked this video and got some value out of it, give it a thumbs up, share it with somebody who you may know, and then make sure you subscribe if you're not already on my list, because I get goodies. And also make sure you're on my newsletter at www.ridesharedrivingtips.com/newsletter. All right, I welcome you guys to it, and have a great day. Peace. Let's get this money, y'all.